If you want to trade the forex markets, you'll first of all need a trading platform. And in this video, guys, I'll show you how you can trade forex using your smartphone. If you have an iPhone, go to your Apple Store, and if you have an Android phone like mine, go to your Google Play Store and then search for MetaTrader. This you'll find MetaTrader 4 here, and also MetaTrader 5, where you can trade forex and stocks. After installing the two apps, some of the brokers use MetaTrader 4 and others both MetaTrader 4 and 5. That's why I prefer you install both of them. This is the MetaTrader 4. I'll show you first of all how to use the MetaTrader 4. In this part, it's called the quote section, where you can see we have some of the pairs. This is the Euro USD. We have the spreads there. This is the low price and the high prices. You can see they are shifting. And when you open it and it takes you to this page, just come here at the top left corner, press on it, and then go here to manage accounts. Here you'll have to add your brokers. Click on the plus sign on your top right corner, and then you can open a demo account. And if you have a real account here, as you can see, you can log into your real account, where the broker will have sent an email to you. So click on login to an existing account. If you have opened, let's say, using XM, log in your information and it will take you directly to trading. And if you want to open a demo account, just click on the demo account. Let's find a broker. Let's say we want to trade with RoboForex. You search Robo, as you can see. Let's say click on RoboForex. Here you'll see some of your information: the name, your phone, email, account type. I like to use the euro. You can choose the forex euro, and then you have the leverage 1:500 is okay, or you can lower if you want to trade with a limited capital. Here you can let me trade with 3,000, and then you just click on create account. It will take you to this page where you will have your account type and the deposited amount, your login information and password. Keep them safe, and then press on done. So when we are done, it will take you back to this quote section. As I showed you earlier, here you have some of the currencies, and if you want to add more currencies, just click on the plus sign at the top right corner, and then you'll see some folders: forex, metal, cryptocurrency, US stocks, equity indexes, spot oil, non-tradable. Here are some of the things that you can trade on the MetaTrader 4. Let's click on forex. You can see you can add, let's say, add Euro CHF, Euro GBP, Euro GPY, Euro NZD. You add only the pairs that you trade. So me, I'll add the ones that I trade: NZ USD, GPY, USD CHF, USD CAD, USD GPY. And metals, I trade gold, this gold XAU. Cryptocurrencies, I can add Cardano, Cosmos, Bitcoin Cash, Avalanche, Dogecoin, BTC, and Polkadot and Ethereum, Litecoin, Mana, Luna. So when you go back in the quote section, you'll see that they have already been added, as you can see, and their prices are right there. So let me go to an account that I have already used before. So let me use this Fresh Forex so that I can show you more wide. So as you can see here, this is the Fresh Forex. They have a spread of a low spread of 2, and it's consistent and constant at times. So when you go here at the bottom corner, at the bottom side, you'll see some of the features there. Let's click on these candlesticks here. It will take you to this page. This page is the page that you use to analyze this is where you put your analysis. So if you want to read the price, you press on top of this plus sign. Here you can read the price. As at here, it was the dollar was at 1.0647. You can read your price here. And if you want to input indicators, just press on this F sign at the top. It will take you to this. Here are some of the indicators that you can use: Bollinger Bands and moving averages, oscillators, volumes, and so many more. Let's add one indicator. Let's add the moving average. I'll choose exponential. Okay, let me take 12. 12 is okay. Done. Here, as you can see, there is the moving average. Let me add another so that you can see another moving average. Let me add 26 here, 26, and then I'll change the color. Let me change it to purple. I guess that's purple. Okay, and then we are done. So you can see here the 12 moving average is the faster one, and the 26 is the slow one. If you want to add more indicators, you can just add, let's add the MACD. The MACD, you have the 12, 26. That's okay. The signal line, mean, you can add it. It will come here at the bottom side so that you can do your analysis. Let's say you want to, if you want to change the time frames, just press at the center of your screen. When you press this at the time frames, you can see here we have 1 hour, 4 hour, daily, weekly, monthly. You can add some more indicators. You can read the sign, 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes. So if you want to go to daily, just press at the center, and then if you want to shift, just press on daily. As you can see here, it has taken us to this page. And if you want to change it to, let's say, 30 minutes or 15 minutes, you click on the 15 minutes. It will take you to this page. And if you want to change some more currencies, you click at the top, this dollar sign here. You can see here we have some of the currency pairs. Let's say we want to shift and use the USD GPY. As you can see here, it's going up. Let's use the 4 hour. This is that's how to change. Here you can also, in the top side also, this clock thing, you can also see some of the time frames. And if you want to take a trade, let's say this USD GPY, it's on a buy. So if you want to buy now, here at the top right corner, you'll see this plus sign in a box. Just press the plus sign, and then you can reduce your lots. Let's use 0.01. Then we want to buy, so we come here and press at the downside buy. And if you want to sell, you press the sell button. So let's press the buy button. As you can see, the order has been placed successfully. I had some other trades. And don't always remember to put your stop loss and your take profit. So we have to put a stop loss and a take profit to this. Let's go back. Let's click on this to read the price. Let's put the stop loss at, let's say, 100 pips, 126, 126. Let's put our stop loss here at 127.40. Just come here and then swipe and then click on that, and then add your stop loss. Here is where you add your stop losses and then modify. After modifying, you'll see that the order has been modified. Then go back here, and then let's put a take profit. Let's put a take profit. Let's put our take profit here where the wicks are at 128.20. go back and put your take profit there at 128.40, 128.40, then you modify. That's how to place your orders, guys. As you can see, we have already placed our orders right there. Here at the bottom side, this thing is where you see your balance. Here you can see your balance, your equity, your free margin, the margin level, and here are your trades, your running trades. So I expect these trades like this one to go down because it has reached a resistance zone. So I expect it to go down. I had placed it earlier, and some of the trades here, as you can see, this is the GBP USD. Let me see it. I had bought it. As you can see, we are on an uptrend position. So as you wait, you place your orders there, and then here at the bottom right side, here at this thing here, you can see some of your past trades. This trade that I had taken it earlier this morning, and here at the top right side, you can select your, if you want to see your trades from last week, last month, past 3 months, you can see your trades, and here you can sort your trades. If you want to sort your trades with opening time, you can sort them. With the closing time, you can sort them, and all the symbols there. And here you can see some of the news. Here are the news that are always released, but I prefer to use external links, external sources to find news. That's basically about the MetaTrader 4. As you can see, that's how to place your orders and place your trades and add the indicators. Now I'll show you how to use the MetaTrader 5. Let's move to MetaTrader 5. It's not different from MetaTrader 4. As you can see here, the quotes. This is where you take your analysis, the chart zone. Here is where you see your balances and your past trades, the news, and so on. What's difference is that in MetaTrader 5, you can read your pips more efficiently than MetaTrader 4. As you can see, you can read your pips, as you can see here in this section. Let's start here when the price started to go on a bull trend. That's the bullish move. So you can see by now it had risen to more than 3,000 pips. That's how you can read your charts. And I don't think there's anything different from MetaTrader 5. I love MetaTrader 5 more than MetaTrader 4 because of reading the pips. And also here at the top side, you can add two chart windows. Here at this thing, when you press it, let's say you can add a new window, which you cannot do in the MetaTrader 4. You can see two windows. This is I have added a new window here, and if you want to, so you can see two charts at one time. If you want to remove, just go back there and then click it and then remove. Another thing I forgot to show you guys is that where you take you place your support and resistance and other things, when you press at the center side where we have the time frames, here at this thing, when you press it, let's press it, you can see, not that you can see, this is where you press here at the plus sign at the top. You can add your vertical lines, your horizontal lines, your trend lines, and some more items like the Fibonacci retracement, the Elliott wave theory, the corrective wave, and the impulsive waves. You can add your your shapes there. Let's say we take this horizontal line so that we can determine here. Let's put it here because here it's where it's showing the greatest support. This is the 1 minute chart, and let's go back and take another one. And right here at the top, here you can see it's a resistance zone. That's how to use your MetaTrader 5 and MetaTrader 4, guys. That's how to trade with the MetaTrader 5. And watch our other videos to know more about trading Forex. And see you in the next one.